Hi, this is for my dog. Because I'm getting rid of my dog tomorrow, and when I come back from school, he's not going to be here. So, sorry. I might not make videos for a long time. And I've been trying to, but it's really hard for me to, and I'm getting rid of my dog. My very best dog. And yeah, I'm gonna miss him, so I might not do videos. So yeah.
Hey, you need like a jacket or something because it's going to be cold today.
That's my mom.
Find some socks.
Bye.